तो बहुत हो गए तुम.
Definitely. My team won, and I told you that. I told you we'll beat you all. I told you ninth year in a row that Mumbai has not won the first game. And how do you feel
Hear,
right now?
did you hear Rohit Sharma's after match what he had to say? He said the same thing
Yeah,
that it doesn't
yeah,
matter.
I know. Shahrukh Khan has taught him something, I think. हार के जीतने वालों को बाजीगर and all that.
Yeah, but that's true, right? Okay, listen.
Let's see.
Yeah, this is just the first match. Yeah, I mean, cool down, cool down. RCB always starts
Okay.
very fast, and Mumbai Indians are slow starters. But you have read that story, no? That rabbit and tortoise one. You know who wins?
Oh, that doesn't happen every time. Okay. That will not happen every
Five
time.
times. 5 times, yes.
Let's see.
Okay, we can continue this forever, but there is another match coming. This is just the beginning of a long IPL season. The next match is between Chennai Super Kings and Delhi Capitals. So before I ask Orgo which team he is supporting, please have a look at the Fanfighter app and download that from the link in the description below.
It's match day. Play fantasy cricket now. Get up to 2.5 crores daily and lots more. 20 times more. Win big on FanFight. This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
So, Orko, the first match is over. Let's not keep talking about it because it's a longish IPL season. And today it's the Chennai Super Kings versus Delhi Capitals. Whom are you supporting? Because I am clearly supporting the Blues.
See, you are wearing the same dress every day, but don't get confused with my t-shirt. See, there are
Yeah,
a
you are
lot
wearing
of
pale
colors in
colors.
here, but I am stuck in this color because see, I am
Oh,
getting very emotional. I am getting really emotional because see, Dhoni is there, but his partner is in crime is returning. Dhoni and Suresh Raina, the duo will be back. How do you feel about that? Will destroy everyone.
no, I'm sure that they're back, but then they haven't played cricket for years now. I mean, Raina has played cricket with his kids. Dhoni has played cricket with his kid. What about? And in fact, Dhoni was doing organic farming. No, how will that help in IPL, man?
See, as it is, champions don't need to practice day in and day out. They just go
There's
onto the field,
no.
they practice for 20, 30 odd days, and they are set up for that. So, see, organic farming kept him away from all the worries, and now he is back. Thala and Chinna Thala is back. And remember, we are back playing in India. So, remember that. So,
You,
when
you
Dhoni
know.
last year, the main problem with Chennai was that, like, in the middle order, Raina was not there and people were not there to score runs, to anchor the innings. But just see this time, Raina has been out of cricket for almost 2 years. And now see that hunger is growing. The lion is like raring to roar.
Thala and Chinna Thala aren't going to do anything. For 2 years, they haven't. Raina hasn't even played. To expect that he will do anything, well, whatever. I mean, I really think that it's a big mistake. Dhoni, you remember
But
there
but
was
tell
Dhoni.
but tell me one thing. Why is your team copying us? Like
Huh?
Dhoni was a wicket keeper from the start of his career, and then
Yeah,
he became captain. And now,
yeah,
because Shreyas Iyer is injured, you all
yeah.
have also have made Rishabh Pant the captain. When somebody like Ajinkya Rahane, Steve Smith, all these legends are there in your team, why Ashwin? Why is Rishabh Pant the captain? You're trying to follow us, right?
No, this is called looking at the future and planning for the future. Of course, Ashwin and Ajinkya Rahane are there. Rahane is in fact was the vice captain and he captained in the Australian tour also. Think of this: a team which has a thinker like Ashwin, a team which has a captain like Rahane, who has already captained a wonderful series. I don't think I need to remind anyone how well he captained in the Australian series. And then there's this young, fierce guy. We are just making sure we make a legend for the future. That's what Delhi Capitals is
But
about.
but tell but one thing. But tell me one thing. Whenever he
This is a
stands
lot of
behind the
words.
stumps, he tries to copy MS Dhoni. He always tries to copy MS Dhoni and ends up speaking more than what is required. Only come on Ash, and he already see he disturbs the batsman. He confuses his own bowler also. I have seen Kuldeep and Yuzvendra Chahal suffer.
But then it's Ashwin, no. He will confuse the batters. And just by the way, Chennai has a lot of young batters also in Ruturaj Gaikwad. And they will be obviously confused because none of them have equal amount of energy. They cannot compete with our captain in energy at all. And then
But but
match
but
left.
but tell me one thing: if your captain has so much energy, why does he like fall like this? Why does he does this? Why does he fall
That
over
does,
whenever
but that is a specific shot. And what about
he
that
falls
shot?
over?
But what about that shot which he hit to James Anderson? How good
See,
was
that is
that
fluke.
shot?
That is fluke. That is also fluke.
And how well will he hit this shot in IPL? I mean, come on, Rishabh Pant is in superb form. Just by the way, if you have forgotten, then Rishabh Pant's wicket keeping has also, gone miles ahead. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni can be fast behind the stumps, but well, if you haven't been behind the stumps and you're getting old, oh, I completely forgot. Chennai Super Kings is a team for old people. So how can I
See,
forget?
listen. This very team, almost the same team with old guys, they won the 2018 final. Okay, and then everybody was like rejoicing and all. They went to the 2019 final also. Then also everybody was happy. And now one season they performed badly. They are the only team to reach the playoffs in every season apart from that last season. And now everybody is saying that old team, old team. But see, with this age comes experience also. And by the way, you all don't have experience in your squad for the first match. Aksar is missing out because he was COVID affected. And also, your two bowlers, Nokia and Rabada, won't be there. So, how will you tackle our batsmen?
Have you forgotten the likes of Umesh Yadav and Ishant Sharma? I mean, if Ishant Sharma
Oh,
doesn't have experience,
who
if
get hit for
Ashwin
runs?
doesn't have experience,
10 run and
then
over. 10 run and
sorry,
over. Who get hit for
huh?
10 runs and over? Who get hit for 10 runs and over?
Well, what about Chennai bowlers? Jadeja. Oh, I think Chennai this time. Yeah, you're right. Chennai is not an old. No, I mean it's not an old team anymore. It's also a team of players who haven't played for I don't know how many months. Ravindra Jadeja is also coming back from an injury and he hasn't played for a long time. So who is your player to
See,
watch out for? Come on, let's cut it
see,
short. Who
on
is your player to watch out for?
player to watch out for is Sam Legend Karan. You saw his batting in the T20 I series against India. He can bat, he can bowl, he can do everything. He can open, he can come in the middle order, he can be a finisher, and then he can bowl in the power play, he can bowl in the death. He can do
I
anything.
just have one question, Orgo. Just a small question. Please remind me. Sam Curran scored 97 or 98 odd, no, in that match.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, what was the result of the match? Which team won?
See, our captain has already
No,
said,
no.
don't believe in
Which
the result, believe in the process. Don't
correct?
believe
The
in the result.
process of making sure that inexperienced Delhi becomes experienced by defeating Chennai. That's the process. I know it's perfect. It works
The
perfectly for us.
process is very clean and clear and very simple to get
That's what
our
I also said.
campaign back on track. To get our campaign back on track, the Delhi team, which like Mumbai, they are thinking that they have the best team in the tournament. But just look out for this match with so many players missing out and with a captain like Rishabh Pant. Come on, Rishabh Pant is no Dhoni. Come on, I still can't believe that Rishabh
Correct,
Pant
I
is the
agree.
captain.
Look, Rishabh Pant is no Dhoni, but then you never know he can be better than Dhoni because remember in Dhoni's team it's Dhoni alone. But with Rishabh Pant, there is you will always understand or you have to believe that Ravichandran Ashwin is one of the best minds. So is Ajinkya Rahane. So don't think it's Rishabh Pant alone. Much like India had a leadership group, Delhi has a leadership group We will first defeat Chennai. We will start with you guys. Don't worry. Don't be sad here, Orgo. We will defeat you guys. And
Okay,
we
okay.
will
You all also don't be sad. Like Amir Khan said na, in that Dangal movie, अरे national champion से हारा है. So I will tell you this dialogue after the match. Just,
I
just
will
wait
tell
and
you
see.
this dialogue.
दिल छोटा मत कर. National champion से हारेगा.
I will tell you, my dialogue will be very different. My dialogue will be that it's okay, but never underestimate your opponents. Okay, okay, enough, enough. Now we have to watch the match and we will come back. Right, Orgo? See, even if you lose, you can't cry. You have to come back. Okay? Promise?
We are the comeback kings. We are the comeback kings.
Oh, that means you're sure you will lose this match. Okay, Orgo
Let's see.
is sure that they're going to lose this match and then make a comeback.
Remember the first match, what happened?
It's okay. It's gone. Past is gone. Bygones are bygones. As you can see, Orgo and my banter will go on because we are hellbent on supporting our team. For me, it's blue, and for him, it's the traffic light colors. I mean, yesterday it was red, and today it's yellow. Tomorrow it'll be green. So don't take him seriously. Which team are you supporting? Whichever team you support, which platform should you support? Well, of course, Sports Today, because we are bringing you fun, interesting, and new stuffs, and of course, exclusive interviews. So keep watching Sports Today, and of course, you subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell icon, and keep watching us.